Hi everyone, this is Gopal. I am from Bahira. In my family, apart from my parents, I have another brother and sister. I am doing BA from HPS College Madhepur. I have no particular skills, so I am a fresher. And my hobbies are playing cricket and running. And my ideal is a Ratan Tata sir. That's why I want to be a businessman. And I am very playful and energetic person. That's all about me. Thank you. And now I am talking about KYP. KYP means Kusal Yuva program. In this program, we have three types of program. First one is BSCIT, means Bihar State Certificate in Information Technology. In this session, we are learning how to operate computer like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, Paint, Internet, 21st century skills, etc. And second one is BSCLS, means Bihar State Certificate in Language Skills. In this session, we are learning language skills like speaking, spoken English, grammar, vocabulary, group discussion, etc. And third and last one is BSCSS, means Bihar State Certificate in Soft Skills. In this session, we are learning soft skills, life skills, personality development, right mindset, etc. So that's enough to describe the KYP. So if you want to be successful in your life, in your career and searching for a job opportunity, so please come and join KYP.